Today, we are going to talk about a problem that can cause a lot of worry for dog owners: limping. Limping is their way of showing us that something is wrong, and we need to pay attention. It's important to understand the possible reasons why your dog might be limping, so you can take the right steps to help them. In this video, we'll explore some common reasons for limping in dogs, from simple injuries to more complex medical conditions. Remember, always consult with your veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. One of the most frequent reasons for limping is a simple injury. Dogs can pull a muscle, sprain a ligament, or injure a tendon, often during playtime. You might notice your dog favoring the injured leg, and they may even yelp or cry out in pain if they move in a certain way. Sometimes the limping can appear suddenly, especially after a particularly intense play session, or if they've made an awkward jump or landing. Other times it can develop gradually, with the limp becoming more pronounced over time. The severity of the limp will depend on the severity of the injury. Now, let's move on to another common culprit behind limping paw problems. Dogs explore the world on four paws, making them susceptible to all sorts of injuries. Cuts, scrapes, blisters, and punctures are common. Foreign objects like thorns, splinters, or glass can cause significant discomfort and lead to limping. Even a cracked nail can make your dog hesitant to put weight on the affected paw. Ticks and insect bites can cause irritation, swelling, and pain. If you notice your dog limping, it's always a good idea to carefully examine their paws for any signs of injury or foreign objects. As dogs get older, their joints can start to show signs of wear and tear. Arthritis, a common condition that causes joint inflammation and pain, can affect dogs of all ages, but it's more prevalent in senior dogs. Arthritis causes a breakdown of the cartilage that cushions the joints, leading to pain, stiffness, and difficulty moving. This can manifest as limping, especially after periods of rest or when your dog first wakes up in the morning. Other joint issues like hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, and patellar luxation can also cause limping in dogs. These conditions often have a genetic component, meaning they're more common in certain breeds. If you have a senior dog or a dog that's predisposed to joint issues, it's crucial to watch for signs of joint pain and seek veterinary care if you notice any limping or stiffness. Sometimes limping can be a sign of something more serious going on beneath the surface, like an infection or an abscess. Infections can occur anywhere in the body, but when it comes to limping, they often involve the paws, legs, or even the joints. A bite wound, even a small one, can become infected if not cleaned properly, leading to pain, swelling, and difficulty walking. Similarly, an abscess, which is a localized collection of pus, can develop under the skin, causing discomfort and limping. Infections and abscesses often cause other symptoms too, such as redness, warmth, and swelling in the affected area. If you suspect your dog might have an infection, it's crucial to seek veterinary attention immediately. While most cases of limping are due to more common and treatable conditions, in some instances, limping can be a sign of a more serious underlying issue. These can include things like bone cancer, tumors, or even neurological conditions that affect the nerves responsible for movement. Limping that is severe, persistent, or doesn't improve with rest should always be taken seriously. Other red flags include unexplained weight loss, loss of appetite, lethargy, or changes in your dog's overall behavior. If you notice any of these symptoms along with limping, it's crucial to contact your veterinarian right away. Early detection and diagnosis are key when it comes to treating serious conditions. Remember, this video is intended to provide general information and should not be considered a substitute for professional veterinary advice. If your dog is limping, the best course of action is to schedule an appointment with your veterinarian. They can perform a thorough physical examination, recommend additional tests like X-rays or blood work, and provide an accurate diagnosis. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, a calm and assertive owner raises a balanced and confident dog. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow dog lovers, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on keeping your canine companions happy and healthy.